Hello everyone, this is Muzamil Akbar and hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new partition in Windows 10 or even in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, go to search bar and type File Explorer and open this. Then go to this PC, click on this. Here you can see different partitions are available, but I want to create a new partition. So for this, either press Windows plus R key or right click on this start icon and click on run and type here diskmgmt.msc and click on OK. Here you can see the partition of your system is shown here. So I want to create a new partition from this particular new disk I partition. So right click and click on shrink volume, and here you can see the total size of partition is 50 GB, and I want to create a new partition and the space of this particular partition is 10 GB. So I have set 10 GB space on this and click on shrink. So you can see 10.06 GB space is created, but at that time the space is unallocated. So for this, right click and you can see here is, but it is unallocated. So right click and click on new simple volume and click on next. Simply click on next. Here you can select your drive name and I will select Y. Click on next, keep everything as it is and next. So you can see new volume Y is created successfully. Let's have a check, and you can see new volume Y is successfully created. So I hope you like this video. Please share this video with your friends and keep supporting me. Thank you.